Hi, this is Mr. Rutherford. In this problem, we will learn to write an equation given 2 points. Write an equation of the line that passes through the points -2, -7, and 1, 5. We're going to write this equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. But in order to write this equation, we need to find two things. We need to find first the slope, then we need to find the y-intercept, which is b. The formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over or divided by x2 minus x1. Now we have 2 points. We have -2, -7, and we have a point 1, 5. So let's label these with our x1, y1, x2, and y2. So we'll have our x1 be -2, and our y1 be -7. So 1 will be x2, and the 5 will be y2. Now we need to substitute these values into our slope formula. So we have m equals, our y2 is 5, minus our y1, which is -7, divided by our x2, which is 1, minus our x1, which is -2. Notice here we have a subtraction of a negative both in the numerator and the denominator, so we'll have 5 plus 7 over 1 plus 2, which is 12 over 3, which when divided is equal to 4. So our slope is equal to 4. Now we need to find the y-intercept. So I'm going to use a formula called point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So again, this is called point-slope form. So we'll plug in our y1 and our x1 and our slope into this equation. So we have y minus our y1 is -7 equals our slope, which is 4, times the difference of x minus our x1 is -2. So now let's simplify. Y minus -7 is equal to y plus 7, which equals 4 times x minus -2 is equal to x plus 2. Now in order to eliminate our parentheses, we need to use the distributive property. I will distribute the 4 to the x and to the 2. So y plus 7 for now remains unchanged, and on the right we'll have 4 times x, which is 4x, plus 4 times 2, which is 8. So finally what I need to do in order to get this into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, is to move the 7 to the right side of the equation. I'll do this by subtracting 7 from both sides. And I'll subtract the 7 from the 7 on the left and the 8 on the right. The reason I don't subtract the 7 from the 4x is because it is not a like term with 7. However, 8 and -7 are like terms. So the 7 and the -7 cancel on the left, so we have y equals 4x, 8 minus 7 is 1, so plus 1.